AB started a business with an investment of 18,000 and 32,000. Profit earned after an year is 1750. What will be B share? Right. 3 zeros investment is common. Right. Cancellation with 2. 9 times. 16 times. So total how many parts we have? B is getting 16 out of 25 among 1750. How many 25s will be there in 100? 4. In 75? 3. 175? 7. And then 0. 0. Answer ends with 20. Only one. Yes. Which one of the following fraction is the largest one? Any logical apply cheyala anni unnai indulo. Right. So now you need to eliminate one by one. If you want to properly do it, you need to calculate LCM for all the denominators, need to take it common, and then need to identify every other fraction, numerator. That is a lengthy process. So let us try to eliminate 4 fractions out of those 5. Is that okay? We want largest, right? First I will observe all the fractions and then I will observe only numerators. Is there any numerator which is same for 2 fractions? Yes. 7 by 11, 7 by 9. Easy to compare. If the numerator is same, and to get the highest fraction, denominator must be least one. Denominator must be least. So 7 by 11 eliminated. And if you observe only numerators, no 2 numerators are same. Now observe only denominators. Is there any denominator which is same? Yes. 11 by 15 and 13 by 15. Denominators are same. To get highest fraction, numerator must be highest. So we can eliminate 11 by 15. Yes? Right. Now none of the numerators or denominators are same. Correct? Now observe the difference between numerator and denominator. Is it same for any 2 fractions out of leftover 3? Difference between numerator and denominator. 7 by 9, 2. 13 by 15, 2. 15 by 22, 7. 15 by 22. Forget about it. I will concentrate 7 by 9 and then 13 by 15. Here importance is difference between both numerators and denominators. Both are same. Now what fractions are these? Are these proper fractions or improper fractions? Come on. Proper fractions. If you have proper fractions, small numbers are smaller fractions. Big numbers are bigger fractions. If the difference between numerator and denominator is same, and if fractions are proper fractions, small numbers are smaller fractions, big numbers are bigger fractions. You can compare only numerators or only denominators, up to you. If you take only numerators, 7 and 13, 7 is less than 13, so 7 by 9 is less than 13 by 15. Now you can eliminate 7 by 9. Yes. Now what is eliminated? 7 by 9. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 are eliminated. Now out of these 2, none of they are same. Numerators are different, denominators are different. Difference between numerator and denominator also different. Now comes to cross multiplication. If you want to compare 2 fractions, use cross multiplication. 15 15s. 225. So here you need to multiply 13 with 22, and which is definitely more than 225. Yes. So whatever is the relation that we have, same applies here. 13 by 15 is greater than 15 by 22. Yes. So I've discussed one more point. If the difference between numerator and denominator is same, if the difference between numerator and denominator is same, we have discussed what if fractions are proper fractions. What did I say? Small numbers are smaller fraction, big numbers are bigger fraction. You can take one example, your own example. You can take 1 by 2 and then 2 by 3. Difference between numerator and denominator is 1. 1 by 2, what percent is that? 50. 2 by 3, 66. 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. Got it? If they are improper fractions, small numbers are bigger fractions. Small numbers are bigger fractions. Big numbers are smaller fractions. Here also you can take your own example. It's up to you. You may take 3 by 2, 2 by 1, 3 by 2, 1 and a half, 2 by 1, 2. 3 by 2 is less than 2 by 1. Small numbers are bigger fractions. Big numbers are smaller fractions. Got it? Right. So now, if numerators are same, based on the denominator we concluded 7 by 11, 7 by 9. Have you understood everybody? Everybody? Sure? అర్థం కాలేదా? రైట్. నీలాంటి వాళ్ళకి నేను మంచి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తా. రూమ్లో ఉంటున్నావా, ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నావా? రూమ్లోనే కదా. పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దొరుకుద్ది మనకి. ఇవాళ ఏంటి? హోలీ కదా. హోలీ అనే ఇవాళ సాయంత్రం సెలబ్రేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నిన్ను వేరే వాళ్ళు పిలిచారు. ఓకేనా? నీ ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారమ్మా. ఇంకొక రూమ్లో ఇంకొక ఫ్రెండ్ ఉన్నారు. వీళ్ళు ఏ అనుకుందాం, వీళ్ళు బి అనుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? మీకు తెలుసు వీళ్ళు 2 kgs కేక్ తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. రెండో వాళ్ళు కూడా 2 kgs కేక్ తెస్తున్నారు. ఇన్విటేషన్ వచ్చింది. ఈ ఏ అనే రూమ్లో 2 మెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే ఉన్నారు. బి అనే రూమ్లో 4 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఏ రూమ్కి వెళ్తారు? ఫస్ట్ వెళ్ళి తర్వాత బీకి వెళ్తారు సార్. ఇట్లా చెప్పకూడదు, ఒకటే సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అమ్మా, ఏ ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నావో అదే రీజన్. ఏకి ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నావో అదే రీజన్ దానిలో ఉంది. 7 kgs కేక్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ అమాంగ్ 11 మెంబర్స్. 7 kgs కేక్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ అమాంగ్ 9 మెంబర్స్. హూ గెట్స్ మోర్? ఇది మోర్. కాబట్టి 7 by 11 is less than 7 by 9. సింపుల్. అర్థమైందా? రైట్. And last one, 13 by 15 and then 15 by 22. This is universal case. Whenever you want to compare any two fractions, just go with cross multiplication. Go with cross multiplication. You'll have two numbers here. This is 225 and this is 13 into 25. Definitely this is more than that. Whatever symbol is there here, same symbol applies here. Okay na? Right. చాలా కాలం తర్వాత ఒక మంచి క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది ఇట్లాంటిది. If the total cost of 30 bottles and 54 glasses is 3360, what will be the total cost of 5 bottles and then 9 glasses? Now you need to compare only bottles. Earlier we have 30, now it becomes 5. What it has become? By 6, correct? Now glasses, earlier we have 54, now it is 9. Is the same relation applied there? 1/6 only. So bottles becomes 1/6, glasses becomes 1/6. So answer is 1/6. 1/6 in the sense 560. If the proportionality is different, answer is cannot be determined. The same proportionality applies for glasses and bottles. The same reflects even for the answer. If the proportionality is different, answer is cannot be determined. Yes, right. The sum of percentages of Sita and Rita is 105. After 7 years, the ratio of their ages at that time will be 7:10 respectively. What is Rita's percentage? Okay, who is Rita? First person or the second person? We were asked to calculate second person age, correct? Now ratio is given. In that ratio, what is age of Rita? Second person's age? 10 parts. Multiple of 10 parts should be a multiple of 10. At what time Rita's age is 10 multiple? After 7 years. So then percentage must end with 3, right? If the percentage is ending with 3, then only after 7 years it ends with 0. Then only it will be a multiple of 10. So percentage of Rita must end with 3. How many options are there? Done. Followed? If the percentage is ending with 3, then only after 7 years that ends with 0, and then only that will be a multiple of 10. Got it? The difference between length and breadth of the rectangular plot is 8 meters. If the perimeter of the plot is 148, perimeter 2 times of L plus B is 148, then L plus B is equal to half of that number, 74, and the mentioned difference is equal to 8. What is your question? What is its area? Area in the sense length into breadth only. How do you get largest number? Sum divided by 2. Sum is 82 by 2, 41. Then breadth in the sense you just need to subtract 8 from 41 only. Subtract 8 from 41, that is 33. Then your question is to identify area, length into breadth. Answer ends with how many options are there? Only one. Fifth final answer. If again couple of options are there, I'll apply 3 multiplication rule because 33 is there. Even still more answers are there, we can apply 11 multiplication rule. The compound interest on sudden sum of money for 2 years at 10% per annum is 315. What is the principal? Compound interest for 2 years at 10% per annum. In terms of percentage, 21%. 315 is equal to 21%. 1% is by 21. And we were asked to calculate 100%. Correct? 21 how many times? 15 times. Answer 1500. Otherwise answer must end with 500. 2 zeros are there. 1 into 5 only ends with 5. So answer must end with 500. Got it? If in examination 2415 candidates appeared for which 1449 passed, what is the percentage of students who passed the exam? Pass percentage 1449 passed out of 2415, percentage into 100. What is 50% of the denominator? 1207.5. But our numerator is integer, right? That means to this number we have to add a number which is ending with 0.5. Then only we will get integer. 50% అనేది 0.5 ఉంది కదమ్మా, పైన మనకి ఇంటీజర్ ఉంది కదా, అంటే ఇంకో 0.5 యాడ్ చేయాల్సిందే కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ 10% ఆఫ్ ద డినామినేటర్? 241.5. నాకు కావాల్సిన 0.5 వచ్చింది కదా, యాడ్ చేసి చూద్దాం. 241.5. when you add it, it becomes 1449, which is our numerator. Hence answer is 60%. Simple interest on sudden sum of money for 3 years at 8% per annum is 5952. What would be the simple interest on same sum of money for 5 years at 11% per annum? At 11% per annum, answer should be 11 multiple. It may be for 1 year or 5 years or x number of years. It has to be 11 multiple. Correct? First option, is it 11 multiple? No. Second option, no. Third option, no. Fourth option, yes or no? Fifth option, there is only one 11 multiple. You don't have to bother about the data also. 2025 were divided among 3 people so that Princey received twice as much as Suchita. And Charu received 75% of what Princey received. How much money did Princey receive? Right. Princey depends on Suchita. Charu depends on Princey. So where must be the starting point? Suchita. I'll treat it as 100%. Then Princey invests double, which is 200%. And Charu invests 75% of Princey. 75% of 200. 150. The question is about Princey's money. Princey is getting 200 out of total 450 among 20, 2, 5. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Come on. I don't know 45 multiplication, so I'll try with 9. 9 how many times? 5 times. 9, 2 times. 18, 22. Again 2 times. 5 times. Numerator I see 9 multiple. Numerator I see 9 multiple. Which is 9 multiple? 225. Answer must be 9 multiple. Can it be first, second, third? Third. కామ్గా చేసేయటమే. 45 times 900. Yes. So before simplification, after writing this step, can you verify 9 multiple as your answer? Can we verify 9 multiplication? No. Why? ఏమోనా? అట్లా కాదు, చెప్పాలి. ఎందుకు? ఐ పక్కన నేను మాట్లాడదు, చెప్పమ్మా. 45 కూడా 9 మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి చేయకూడదు అంటారు, చేయొచ్చు అంటారు. సో ఆన్సర్ 9 మల్టిపుల్ అని వెరిఫై చేయొచ్చా? చేయొచ్చా? నీ దుంపదగా చేయకూడదు. ఇన్ ద న్యూమరేటర్ వీ హ్యావ్ 9 మల్టిపుల్. In denominator also we have 9 multiple. That gets cancelled, right? So after cancellation, the result is 9 multiple or not, we are not sure. So directly we cannot verify it. So cancellation is compulsory. Okay? Right. If the perimeter of the circle A and circle B are 66 meters and then 110 meters respectively, what is the sum of their diameters? See, circle, radius, you know the condition. Radius of the circle must be always a multiple of 7. Telida? Radius of the circle must be a multiple of 7. ఎందుకు అని అంటే రేడియస్ గురించి మీకు తెలిసిన ఫార్ములాలు చెప్పండి. ఏం తెలుస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 2πr తెలుసు అంటే 2 ఇంటూ 22/7 ఇంటూ r రాయాలి. ఇంకోటి ఏం తెలుసు? πr² అంటే 22/7 ఇంటూ r ఇంటూ r, అంతేనా? రైట్. యూజువల్గా మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఇది కావాలంటే న్యూమరేటర్లో 22 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వాలి? ఇక్కడ కూడా న్యూమరేటర్లో 22 ఉంది, డినామినేటర్లో 11 మల్టిపుల్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఏమవ్వాలి? కమాన్, 11 మల్టిపుల్. దట్స్ వాట్ వీ జనరలీ వెరిఫై. బట్ స్టిల్ దెర్ ఈస్ అనదర్ ఫ్యాక్ట్. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ యువర్ డినామినేటర్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డినామినేటర్? కెన్ యూ క్యాన్సిల్ దిస్ 7 in 2? In 22? Then where is the possibility to cancel 7 with? R has to be a multiple of 7. Here also, denominator 7 you have. If you want to cancel that, there is only one possibility and it is radius. So whenever you have a data regarding circle, for circle, radius must be a multiple of 7. Perimeter or the area, this must be a multiple of 11. Got it? Yes. Right. So what is your question about now? Sum of diameters. Diameter is in the sense 2 times of radius only. Radius is a multiple of 7. Sum of 2 7 multiples is also multiple of 7. Answer must be a multiple of 7. Can it be first, second, third, fourth, fifth? There is only one. We are done with the answer. We are not taking the data also. So if you can remember this theory, for circle, radius must be always 7 multiple. So diameter also 7 multiple. Perimeter or area should be a multiple of 11. నాకు ఏరియాస్ అండ్ వాల్యూమ్స్లో తెలిసిన రెండు పాయింట్లు ఇవి. ఇంతకు మించి ప్రామిస్ నాకు ఏమీ తెలియదు. రేడియస్ డయామీటర్ 7 మల్టిపుల్, పై ఇన్వాల్వ్డా 11 మల్టిపుల్, ఈ రెండే పాయింట్లు తెలుసు. ఐ గ్యారంటీడ్ ఐ కెన్ ఆన్సర్ 98 questions out of 100 based on only these 2 points. 98% accuracy. I am not talking about accuracy also. I can answer 98 questions out of 100 using only these 2 points. If you want to try, yes, you can try. From now onwards, you try. Using these 2 points, definitely you can answer 98% questions. ఆ 2 questions కూడా ఉంటాయేమో అని వదిలేయటం అంతే. ఆ 2 కూడా వదలాలి కాబట్టి మరి 100% గ్యారంటీగా చెప్పకూడదు కాబట్టి ఆ 2 వదిలేస్తున్నా అంతే. రైట్, డన్. మాట్లాడండి. 4 into 4 ends with 6 into 4 ends with how many options are there? If you observe keenly, 84 cannot be your answer. 24 into 14 itself will be about 300 and plus, right? So third cannot be your answer. There is only one. Yes. Okay. 2 zeros must be there. Only one. Percentage cancel. 40 into 780 must be equal to 52 into x only. Come on. So, x value. Left hand side, how many zeros are there? Right hand side, do you have any zeros? Then x must be having 2 zeros. There is only one. Come on. Simple adi. Observe last digits in options, all are different. LD is sufficient. Last digit 8 minus 5, 3 minus 3, only one. Yes. 1672. Numerator ends with. If continuous division is there, both the numbers comes in denominator only. 38 into 11 comes in denominator. That ends with. Numerator ends with 2. Denominator ends with 8. 8 into which number ends with 2? Either 4 or 9. Answer must end with either 4 or 9 only. How many options are there? Come on. 2 possibilities are there. Rendu unnai kada. 4, 14. Rendu unnai kada. So compulsory ga cheyalsinde ippudu. 1672 divided by 38 into 11. ఇంకొకటి ఏం చేయొచ్చు అని అంటే మొత్తం చేయకుండా you know that answer is either first or fourth, correct? Either 4 or 14. 14 is 7 multiple, but 4 is not 7 multiple. Let me verify, do we have 7 multiple in the numerator or not? 7 2 times 14, 27, 7 3 times 21, left over 6 and then 2, 62. Is 62 7 multiple? Do you have 7 multiple in the numerator? Then answer cannot be 7 multiple, fourth eliminated. Got it? Yes? అది కాకుండా ఇంకోటి చెప్పమన్నా కానీ చెప్పచ్చు. 1672 by 38 into 11. Already 3 eliminated by using last digit. This is 4 multiple. Fourth option is not a multiple of 4. That is only 2 multiple. Is it 4 multiple? Come on. It is only 2 multiple, right? So let me decide my answer is 4 multiple or not. Yes. If numerator is 8 multiple and denominator, if it is only 2 multiple, answer becomes, come on, 4 multiple. Let me verify. In the denominator 38 is there. Is 38 2 multiple? Is it 4 multiple? Aye. Is it 4 multiple? No, it is only 2 multiple. So I need to know whether my answer, my numerator has 8 multiple or not. If it has 8 multiple, divided by 2 can be cancelled, answer must be 4 multiple. Yes, then my answer is first option. Got it? Otherwise fourth option final. Antena? Right. How do you verify 8 multiplication? Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits in the numerator. 672. 8 times 64. Remaining 3 comma 2 32. Is 32 8 multiple? So numerator has 8 multiple, denominator has only 2 multiple, answer must be 4 multiple, fourth eliminated. Ardhamainda? Right. Numerator ends with, come on, denominator ends with, these two comes in numerator kada, division symbol okkate undi kada, 4 into 1 ends with, division symbol we have 44, ends with 4. 4 into which number ends with 4? Either 1 or 6. How many options are there? Yes. These two goes to right hand side. 972 into 44 by 12. Correct. Come on. Numerator ends with 8. Denominator ends with 2 into which number ends with 8? Either 4 or 9. 3 options eliminated. Matladali. Now 2 options are there. Interesting number. 44. 11 multiple. Come and see the denominator. In the denominator, do you have 11 multiple? That means answer must be 11 multiple. First option, is it 11 multiple? Eliminated, third final answer. Got it? Done? This is first term. This is second term. Correct? In the first term, do you have 9 multiple? 450 is a 9 multiple. In the second term, do you have 9 multiple? Yes, 360. So first number is 9 multiple. Second number is also 9 multiple. Difference also? Can it be first option? Can it be second option? Hold it. Can it be third option? Can it be fourth? Can it be fifth? Second final. Followed? Let us take these two numbers to right hand side. Then it becomes into 15 by 220 into 11 by 18. Yes? Now I want to verify last digit verification. That is not possible as long as you have 5 multiples in the numerator or in the denominator. So I want to eliminate 5 multiples. Come on. 5. 3 times. 5. 44 times. Correct? Now observe the numerator and tell me the last digit. 2 into 3. 6 into 1. Okay. Denominator 4 into 8. 2 into which number ends with 6? Either 3 or 8. How many options are there? Only one. 168 final. Okay. ఇందులో ఏ ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ నేను రాసింది కాదు, నాకు సంబంధమే లేదు. ఎవరో రాశారు, ఎవరో ఆప్షన్లు ఇచ్చారు. క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్కి నాకు సంబంధమే లేదు. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన పేపర్ని నేను నా లాజిక్స్ వాడుతున్నా అంతే. అన్ని బాగా ఉపయోగపడేటట్లు బాగా రాసుకుని వచ్చావు కదా అని అనుకుంటారు మీరు. రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ you cannot verify last digit verification because every option is ending with 7 only. Yes. And all are close enough numbers with a difference of 10, 10, 10 like that. Correct? Right. So by default, you don't have to verify last digit verification because even if you verify, that ends with 7 only. Okay. Now, how much difference is there among options? 10, 10, 10, 10 difference is there. Correct? Right. So I don't want to concentrate on number after decimal because among options there is a comfortable difference which is 10. Got it? Right. మీరు డెసిమల్స్ పట్టించుకున్నారనుకోండి, నంబర్ ఆఫ్టర్ డెసిమల్, దేర్ మే బి ఏ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 1, హార్డ్లీ. దేర్ మే బి ఏ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 number. So 1 doesn't matter for us. 432 subtracted from this number. 5, 5, 1. To this add 105. 6, 5, 6. Answer should be very close to this, but ends with 7. First option final. Yes, I will definitely consider number after decimal if options are very close enough with a gap of 1. 657, 658, 656, 655. If gap is 1, very close enough gap, then number after decimal is also important for us. Okay na? 2000 రూపాయల నోట్లు కనపడుతున్నప్పుడు చిల్లర గురించి పట్టించుకుంటారా? మాట్లాడరు. నేను కూడా అదే చేస్తున్నా. డిఫరెన్స్ బాగానే ఉంది, నంబర్ ఆఫ్టర్ డెసిమల్ అంటే చిల్లర, మనకి దాంతో పెద్ద సంబంధం లేదు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో లెట్ మీ ఫస్ట్ వెరిఫై నంబర్ ఆఫ్టర్ డెసిమల్. 0.2 or 0.20, one and the same. 0.20, 0.20, 40, 4022, 62, 6242, 104, 104 plus 0, 104. That means after decimal you should have 04. So far if you concentrate on number after decimal, we got 1.04. Answer must end with 0.04. Second, fourth, fifth eliminated. Now number before decimal is also important. 4 plus 42, 46 plus 4, 50 plus 4, 54 added to 1.04, answer is 55.04. Earlier we started with number after decimal, but now we started number before decimal. I am adding both, that's it. Got it? Number of candidates who appeared for a competitive exam from 5 states during 5 years. Number of appeared candidates from state D in 2021. State D 2021, 420, is approximately what percent more than number of appeared candidates from state A in 2025. State A 2025, 322. 420 is how much more than 322? 98 more upon 322. Percentage into 100. Now get the answer from denominator. What is 10% of the denominator? 32.2. Numerator is about 3 times only. 3 times of 32.2 in the sense 96.6, which is 30%. Correct? How much more we need to add? 1.4. That is not even 1% of the denominator. So answer must be little bit more than 30%. Correct? Come to options. And again, your answer is approximately. So answer directly you can start with 30. Over. What is the respective ratio between total number of appeared candidates from state B in 2021, 22, 23 together? B in 2021, 22, 23 together. All these numbers, correct? Hundreds places, 400, 400, 200. Round figure, remember, 69, 21. 90, 90 plus 54, 144. Total, 1144. Yes? Right, ratio between this number and total number of appeared candidates from state E in the same years together. State E in same years together. Right. Again, 200, 300, 400. 900. 73 plus 1. 74 plus 14. 88. Total 988. When I see these numbers, in the numerator, we have 11 multiple. Numbers in the form of x, x, y, y, x, x, y, y, z, z, like this. Repetition. Repetition undali. Ardhamavutunda? Numbers in this form are always 11 multiples. Okay na? Preparation time lo unnaru itlanti gurtupettukovali meer. Right. So, our numerator is 11 multiple. Denominator, do you see 11 multiple? Then in your answer, first number must be 11 multiple only. Can it be first option, second, third, fourth, fifth? 2 possibilities are there. Yes? The other 2 numbers are prime number multiples. Nothing can be done. We have to solve. Tappadu. 22 రావాలి అని అనుకోండి. ఎట్లా ఇది షార్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే 144, 12, 156. 144 plus 12, 156. 5. ఇది అవ్వదు, ఇది అవ్వద్ది. ఫిఫ్త్ ఆన్సర్. ఇంతవరకు అర్థమైంది కదా? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఎయిదర్ థర్డ్ ఆర్ ఫిఫ్త్. ఎస్? అండ్ నౌ వీ నీడ్ టు గో విత్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డూ దట్ బికాస్ numbers are like that. Almost close enough numbers, 4-digit numbers, right? And if you observe your second number, this is 17 prime number, this is 19 prime number. మన్నంతా ఎదురయ్యినాయి. ఏదైనా 3 multiples, 7 multiples, 9, 11. ఇంతవరకు అయితే కంఫర్టబుల్. 11 దాటిన తర్వాత మన వల్ల కాదు. So I can't calculate 17 multiple and then 19 multiple. So what I am doing is, I am taking the difference between numerator and denominator. Numerator is how much more than 1000? 144. Denominator is how much less than 1000? 12. That means difference is 144 plus 12, which is 156 only. What is this? What is this? Difference. Correct? Now I am taking my third option. What is difference between those two? 22 and 17, right? What is difference between those two? Can you write 156 as a 5 multiple? This cannot be the one. Answer is fifth final answer. అర్థమైందా? అక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ 5 multiple అయితేనే 5 multiple అవడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. If you want to take fifth option, what is difference? 3. Is our difference is 3 multiple? Yes, that is possible. When you are left with only two options, do remember, either you prove one is right or you prove one is wrong. I can prove third is wrong answer because difference is not a multiple of 5. Got it? Yes? What is the average number of candidates who appeared from state A during all the given years together? Right. All the given years together. You need to add all the values and divide it by 5. Gives you answer. Avuna? Can you verify last digit verification? No. నేను ఈ మధ్య కాలంలోనే 2 times చెప్పాను మీకు. How many number of years are there? That means you need to divide your denominator with 5 only. Whenever you divide your denominator with 5, you can decide whether answer is even number or odd number. That's it. If numerator ends with 0, what is your answer? Even number. If numerator ends with 5, odd number. You cannot say if numerator is 5 and denominator is 5, answer ends with 1. No. Any odd number ends with 5 only. Any even number multiple of 5 ends with 0 only. So don't go with last digit verification if it is divided by 5. Okay na? Right. So now చేయగలిగింది ఏం లేదు, మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసి divided by 5 చేయాలి. Okay na? Right. That is one way. The other way is I'll go with equality concept. Equality in the sense, first we need to take one benchmark. When you observe these numbers, 5 numbers, when you observe these 5 numbers, I need to start with one benchmark. I can take my own number, you can start with your own number. I'll take 300 because that is a round figure. Yes? First number, is it more than or less than 300? How much less? 45. Second number, 28 more. Positive numbers one side, negative numbers another side. Is that okay? Third number, 31. Fourth number, 46. Next, 22. Right. What is total negative number sum? 91. Total positive number sum? 28, 22. 50. 50, 31. 81. So 91 negative number, 81 positive number. What is overall effect? Plus 10 or minus 10? Minus 10. That must be adjusted among how many years? 5 years. So that means 300 minus 2, 298 is our final answer. After making every number 300, still you are left with minus 10. That minus 10 must be adjusted among all the numbers. For 5 numbers you need to adjust minus 10. That means each number minus 2. Already started benchmark as 300. Minus 2, 298. Ardhamainda? You can start benchmark as 290 also, 280 also, 310 also, your own comfortable number. I started with 300 because simplification becomes easy. Additions or subtractions. Okay. What is the difference between total number of appeared candidates in 2022 from all the given states together and total number of appeared candidates in 2024 from all the given states together? When I say this, first let me observe last digit verification. Look at your options. Majority are ending with different numbers only except first and fifth. Yes. Now 22 to 24 difference. This is what we need to know. 22 these numbers, 24 these numbers. So it is more equal, more. This is more than 22. ఇది చెప్తే మీకు అర్థం కాదు. 254 equal. I am just comparing which numbers are more. Is 22 more or 24 numbers are more? I am comparing those two. 328, 338, 335. 24 is more. Yes. 298. Nearest number. 321. 321 is more. Yes. 271. 282. 282 is more. 314. 362. 362 more. I started with taking different combinations. All I want to prove is which numbers are more. There is one number 254 which is common. For remaining numbers I started taking nearest numbers. I got to know that 2024 numbers are more than 2022 numbers. Yes. So whenever your question is about difference, it is largest number minus smallest number only. So for that reason I need to know which numbers are more. Is it in 2022 or is it in 2024? That's what I verified. Yes. Where we have more numbers? 20, 24. There is one number which is clearly equal, so we don't have to bother about it because that is about the difference. Correct. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 0. 8 plus 8, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, minus 1. Answer ends with 2 options are there. We have to calculate. No other way. Yes. Again, I don't want to add all the values here. I don't want to add all the values here. As I said, 254 got cancelled here. 335 is how much more than 328? 7. Cancel them. Okay. Okay. 298 and then 321. 321 is how much more than 298? 23. Cancel them. Okay. 271, 282. 282 is how much more than 271? 11. 362 is how much more than 314? Forget about 100 places. 62 is how much more than 14? 48. 30, 40, 80, 9. Yes. See why I am not adding all the numbers, because as long as you are adding, keep on adding 3-digit numbers, you will get 4-digit number. As long as you are increasing the number, there is a probability of making mistakes. If you are playing with small numbers, that is safe and faster. If you are increasing your number, you are increasing your risk factor also, which I don't take. Point అర్థమైందా మీకు? The number of qualified candidates from state C in 2025 was 310. What percentage of appeared candidates could qualify in the exam in that year from state C? From state C, how many are appeared candidates here? 465. How many of them qualified here? 310. Percentage into 100. Yes. When you look at your options, all the options are nearby. 65 only. Come on. So you don't have to bother about it. So if you first know 65 percentage value, then you can identify your answer easily. Ardhamaitna? Right. 50% of the denominator. Come on. 2, 3, 2.5. What is 10%? 46.5. 5 percentage. 23.25. Because all the options are nearby 65. I am directly taking 65. Are you okay with that? Right. So, after decimal, 1.25. 0.25, 1 carry. Yes. 232 plus 1. 234. 34 plus 46. 80. 34 plus 46. 80. 80 plus 23. 103. Already 200. That means 303. To this, you need to add 6.75. Then only you will get your numerator. Agreed? Agreed. Now, what is 1% of the denominator? 4.65. We need to add more than that number. What is 2% of the denominator? 9 point something. And our number is less than that. So, can I take it as approximately 1.5 percentage? Answer must be close to 66.5 percentage. 66.25%. How much? Fifth option. Actually, ఈ రామాయణం చేయకుండా ఇంకో చిన్న పాయింట్ ఉంది. What is difference between numerator and denominator? What is difference between numerator and denominator? 155. Numerator is exactly 2 times only. If numerator is 2 times, denominator must be 1 time more. Because 155 is the difference. You know that point, correct? If numerator is 2 times, denominator is 3. 2 by 3 in the sense 66, 2 by 3%. Done. Got it? Approximations. Come on. 5 by 6 into, tell me numbers. 2 by 9 into 9 by 4 into 7 by 9 cancel. I don't want to cancel 2 and 4 here. Keep them as it is, because easily I can write my numerator as 70. 6 into 6, 36, how many times? 4 times in the sense double double, 36 double, 72 double, 140. Approximately, if you take your denominator as 140, 70 by 140, answer must be close to 1 by 2, that is 0.5 or 50. Which option is close to that? Which option is close to 0.5? Third option, 0.49. Following? 15%, 10% plus 5% only. What is 10%? 6.2. Approximation 6.2 enough for us. Half of that number, 3.1. Total 9.3 plus 10% of 4.8. That is 0.48. Sum is 9.78. Approximate. Approximate. What is 10 times of the denominator? What is 10 times of the denominator? 550. Numerator is little bit less than that number. So answer must be either 10 or little bit less than that number. How many options are there? It cannot be 9 because 55 9 times is about 500 only. 55 9 times is about 500 only. 10 times of denominator is 550, but here you have 543. What is the difference here? 7. 7 out of 55 is negligible number, right? So answer must be 10 or little bit less than 10. That's what my solution I said. Gurtochinda meeku? Less than 10 anla. Little bit less than 10 annanu. Ante 9.9 something atla undali. Approximate 10 final answer. Got it? Right. See, if you have any confusion like this, you need to, suppose ikkade exam loni ilane వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే 55 9 టైమ్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోవటమే. 10 టైమ్స్ మైనస్ 1 టైమ్ అమ్మా, 550 minus 55, 495. But our numerator is 543. Definitely 9 cannot be the answer. అర్థమవుతుందా? Right. So first let me count this one. In the denominator, how many digits are there after decimal? Second number, then product 2. So I want to write my denominator as 8 into 2. So in the numerator, I should take 2 zeros only. Already 3 into 11, 33, and I'll take 2 zeros. Divided by this number can be written as into 3 into 5 by 28 into 21. Yes? 8 twos, 3 fives, approximate. Approximate. Numerator 3300 divided by 28. How many times? 20. 28 20 times is 560 plus one more time 28. Sum 588. Approximately how many times? Approximately 500 anala 600 anala. మీ బొంద 588 ఎవరన్నా 500 అంటారా? ఏమంటారు? 600. How many 600s are here? Come on, 5 and little bit more than that only. So answer may be either 5 times or 6 times. Only one. Yes. Enta? 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 Sum. Approximate. ఓకేనా? ఇది యాక్చువల్గా మీరు చేయాలి అని అంటే ట్రీట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 11. 11 square. That means 1.21 only. 1 only. 32 square. 1024. That means 10.24. 10 only. 9. ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా వచ్చేది. బట్ 3.2ని డైరెక్ట్గా దానికి 3 స్క్వేర్గా తీసేసుకున్నా కానీ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా?